Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for June and I've got a Roccabox. This is what the box looks like. If you're new to Roccabox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I received in their June box, then you'll find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Roccabox is a UK only subscription box. It's a beauty subscription box and contains around 5 to 6 beauty products ranging from skincare, hair care, makeup and also some makeup and body tools as well. The cost of the box is £13.95 and that includes shipping. You can opt for a monthly rolling subscription which you can cancel any month, or you can opt for a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I have been a subscriber to Glossybox on and off since they started their subscription back in 2017, but over the last couple of months they have added me to their PR list, so I'm very grateful to them, so I'm able to show you the contents inside these boxes to see if it's a box for you or not. They have given me a code which will entitle you to receive 20% off your first box if you're interested in taking out a subscription, which is Claire20, and you'll find that down in my description as well as links to this subscription. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there, including any limited edition beauty boxes they currently have on their website as well. So I think that's it as far as information goes, so let's get on to showing you what's inside their June box. Okay, so inside you'll find a little card here and it details everything about the products inside the box as well as the cost of the item, so I'm able to tot it up at the end to give you an overall value. I just got rid of all the worms, so I'll give you a quick sneak peek first. So going back to the leaflet, what can I tell you about this month's theme? Combined with long heady nights, making up for lost time means we'll be glamming up, glowing up and making the most of the heat. After a year of staying in, we're gradually getting our lives back, so just try stopping us as we dig out our out makeup bag, pull out the flirty summer dresses that never made it last year and get ourselves back out there. Which is why this month we put together the ultimate summer package to make your June as intoxicating as it deserves to be. We're talking a body scrub that leaves limbs lush enough to bear, a conditioning hair mask to nourish and gloss up those locks, flirty makeup and cooling shower milk to wash away the heat. See Roccababe, a hot girl summer as promised. Love Tia, the founder. So the first item in the box is a little makeup palette, an eyeshadow palette by Bella Pierre, and this is Brown Eyed Girl. You can see there's a little mirror there. Pull that off. And look at those shades. They are stunning. Now, funnily enough, I've already got one of these. So I'm going to give this to my daughter because she had eyed it up. And I was like, no way. I am having it. I am having it. Gorgeous colours. They're really pretty. You've got a really nice matte brown. You've got a pressed glitter and really nice sort of shimmers then. I'll just give you a little bit of a swatch on my hand. Beautiful shades, aren't they? They are really pretty. I do really like this palette. So yeah, so my daughter will have this one because I know that she wanted my other one. But this type of palette is perfect for like taking away on holiday. Like I've got some really nice palettes, but they're huge. You know, talking like the Be Perfect, the Carnival palettes. You know, they're big, aren't they? They are gorgeous, but too big to bring away for the weekend or a holiday abroad or something like that. So having a nice little palette with some really gorgeous shades that you can mix the shades up and intensities, etc. is perfect. Yeah, I do really like it. Okay, so this is the hero product of the month. So this is their special product and it has a recommended retail price of £28.99. It says highly pigmented, super blendable colours, rich matte cherry brown, 2 silky shimmers and 1 chromatic rose gold shade, and yet together they coordinate perfectly for multiple eye looks that will work just as well against a glowing tan and not much else in the day. As they will against a hot coral lip at night, I'll let you in on a secret. The Roccabox team double up on theirs using the shimmery shadows as cheekbone highlighters and a light dusting of the matte brown for creating a gentle contour. Yeah, that is a gorgeous palette. Really chuffed with that. Although, chuffed with that, I'm not having it. I'm not having it. My daughter will. Next, oh, whoa, we've got one of these Shea Bliss Skin Sugar Scrub Strawberry. Oh, look at that. Look. Oh my word. Oh, so nice. Oh, it just reminds me of Chewits. Have you tried these sweets? Little chewy sweets that are lovely. They've been around for years and years and decades. It just smells like that, strawberry Chewits. Oh, look. Oh, I'm gonna have to put my... Oh, what a mess. But I don't care. It's all stuck in my nail now. See, I knew that would happen. Couldn't resist. No, you can't really lick it. Can't lick it. Made with love. That is stunning. That is stunning. I love these little pots. So this is a deluxe sample size and it has a retail price of £3.99. If you haven't yet started to scrub your body on the regular, then now is the time to start. An essential precursor to fake tanning, the key to nailing glossy summer skirt legs, and the only way to turn winter-worn dry skin baby soft and glowing. Body scrubs should feature in your summer shower routine a couple of times a week. We get it. It's an extra product to add to your routine, an extra few minutes in the morning, but trust us, when you're using a scrub that's as gratifying as this, you won't care. The smell alone will have you hooked. It is gorgeous. It is really, really lovely. Yeah, chuffed with that. Next we got a Evelyn Rose Luscious Shower Milk from Crabtree and Evelyn. And there's 15 mils here. I just want to have a little sniff. Yeah. Without it going up my nose. I can't smell it very well. This is a deluxe sample and the recommended retail price is £9.16. Is it? £9.60? £9.16 for this? Or is that referring to the full size version? I don't know. It doesn't say any different. This delicious shower milk will transform your evening shower into a skin softening, refreshing, deeply hydrating, cleansing ritual. A soothing and sun nourishing combo of rose water and coconut water blends body cleanser with a gentle lotion function so you can cleanse away the heat of the day while softening your skin and leaving your bod smelling great for the evening. So is that? We've got a little lipstick here. It's a lipstick crayon and I love these. Love these. What brand? This is from the Beauty Crop. It's a smoothie stick lip crayon in Saucy Masala. So it looks a nice shade actually. It looks like a really nice shade. That is lovely. Definitely a shade I would wear. It feels really nice as well. Oh, nice and glossy. Yeah, that is gorgeous. Right then, do we all get the same colour? No. You'll either receive this one or a Peach Please one, which is more of a corally red sort of shade. These are full size and the recommended retail price is £7. The colour pop from this lip crayon is bright, summery and massively uplifting. Plus the creamy formula is super hydrating, perfect for hot and humid summery nights. Fans of this super cute chubby stick rave over its colour payoff and long lasting shade. We've been particularly impressed by its ability to elevate a no makeup natural look, making it the ideal summer investment. It's got a lip crayon there. And then lastly, we've got something from Anatomicals, and this is Deep Conditioning Hair Packs. That's when I fell for the leader of the hair pack. So there's a few different hair packs in here. So we've got 3 hydrating hair masks. Oh, I like this. Normally we just see like one in a subscription box, but to have like a pack of 3, that's lovely. This is full size pack and you can buy it for £5. Summer can be the enemy of smooth glossy locks and hair that behaves, but this mask will see an end to all that, and its ingredients will replenish lost moisture, inject shine and leave hair beautifully sleek and smelling delicious. So we got some hair masks. So those are all the products inside this box. So I'll just gather them all up, add them all up, and then I'll be back. So these are the 5 products inside this month's Roccabox beauty subscription box. The cost of the box is £13.95 and the value comes in at around £53. We've got a gorgeous strawberry body scrub. We've got a Crabtree and Evelyn body milk. We've got a set of 3 hair masks. We've got a Bella Pierre eyeshadow palette, and we've got a Beauty Crop little lipstick lipstick crayon. In one way I'm gutted that I've already got this palette, because I'm not going to be keeping this one, but it's not to say that this box is not worth it. I think it is really, really lovely. I like the fact that we've got the 3 hair masks here and that lipstick. That shade is gorgeous. I can't wait to try it. I'm not keen on rose smell, so that doesn't really excite me. I do like the brand, but that particular item doesn't really excite me that much. This does. This is absolutely stunning. I cannot wait to use that. It is just beautiful. It feels amazing, but also the smell, just like strawberry Chewits. I love it. But what are your thoughts? What do you think of this box? What do you think of the products inside this month's box? Have you received yours yet? Have you used any of the products? Or are you watching this wondering if this is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.